think you tough? What? Better listen up. Listen Got up. The 40 on me, I call that a grown up. It's our turn. Your time is up. You sending shots since you think you tough. Dang. You think you tough? What? Better listen up. Got that 40 on me, I call that a grown up. Damn. It's our turn. Your time is up. You sending shots if you think you tough. These niggas think they tough, but they really not. They just talk a lot. They don't got no Glocks. You come over my spot, you gon' get dropped. Automatic guns, bullets coming non-stop.